guys, welcome back to JRLifestyle. Today I'm going to be unboxing iPhone 11 Pro Max. So we just got this a couple hours ago. As you can see, it's dark. We just came at night. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it with you guys. Okay, so I'm going to open it. I have been wanting to buy this for a really long time right now, and because it's so expensive when you're in budget. I think the price was $1,099 plus tax. It was $1,164.95. So it was expensive, but it was a good rate. This color is midnight green. Let me open it. Oh wow, looks like black. So this green right here, it's midnight green. As you can see, it's pretty. He picked it. I didn't. I wanted rose gold or black, but he said this was pretty, so I just went with his choice. This is really special. This is from my husband's first income at his new job, and he's just older, so I'm just kind of looking back and forth. So yeah, and his choice of color, he forced me to go today to the Apple store. Okay, so here we have the accessories, the stickers, the guide. I lost myself there. And for me to open it, which I think I'm going to do right now. Okay, here we have the traditional headphones, the wires. Oh yeah, the wires are separate. I just took out the whole piece. The big fat chargers. I wish it was smaller, but I think it's hard to see with lighting. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna go ahead and start it up now. I'm gonna leave this protector on. I got it. It's coming on. I would have to take out my SIM, which I would need to turn off my other phone. Let me see. So it's pretty cool. It fits in the palm. So it just started up where it just says hello. Swipe up to open. Trying to do something out here. Oh, there it is. Ooh. So I'm just pressing the country or the region, US. Set up manually. Internet info, which I don't memorize. So that's gonna take me a bit. Connect to Mac or PC. I think I'm just stuck here. He just gave me the Wi-Fi password. I wanted actually color red or black, and he persuaded me to get this color. It's pretty cool. I wouldn't pick it, but it's pretty cool. I don't regret it. So it's just taking a few minutes to activate. I don't know if it's gonna log into my iCloud account though, because I kind of stopped it in the middle when it started going on its own. Let's see. Okay, it just went to data and privacy. Oh, it requires a Face ID. Nobody can get into your phone without your face. Let me see if I can do it. Okay, so I just did the Face ID completion, twice verification, then password verify, and now you just want to restore from your iCloud PC, transfer directly from your phone. I don't know if I can do that. My cloud is backed up. Let's try this right now. Let's see. Now if I can remember the password. And I don't know the password. Okay, one more try before I stop, because I cannot do it. Take about a minute. But it seemed pretty fast though. Compared to like the usual updates Apple takes, it seems pretty fast. But look at this pretty green. Ooh. Okay, now it says 2 minutes. I probably just jinxed myself. Yep, I jinxed myself. Okay, I didn't jinx myself. It's going fast. less than a minute. Now we're talking. And it's almost okay, starting back up. Woo! So it's just backing up right now. Look at this camera, it's so pretty. So the battery is supposed to last up to 20 hours. And the camera is really nice. Pretty cool. It's backing up right now. I think I'm obsessed with this right now. And I just need to buy another case. So it's just turned on right now, locked. Set up to open. Restore complete. Okay. So it just logged in right now, just showing me how things works. I'm just gonna switch the camera so I can go get a preview of that. All right. Oh, it's downloading. Location. All right. So I gotta download the widget, and that's it. So, okay, so we have the charger, the accessory to open it, the menu. Just want to keep inside, say keep, and the 11. Oh, did I show this one? Oops. 64 gig, midnight green. Guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing gift, and I see you guys next time. Take care, bye, and thanks for watching. Good night.